Maski mga mayor pumasok because of access of money. Ako, ewan ko. Pero sa panahon ko, yung takot din ako ng mga human rights. There are a bunch of bullshit na dalhin ako doon sa ano. Putang ina ninyo, ano ako pitsugin? Mag-trial tayo, tignan ko. And I'd be happy to place you in the cross, in the witness and cross-examine you. Hindi nga ninyo sabihin nyo, the 70,000 killed. Who was the 69th? Before 70,000. Who was the 69,000 killed? Can you name him? Can you name him where he died? Can you give me the number of witnesses that saw the incident? Saan siya namatay? Ano mo nga masabi kung saan lahat na lang ng patay ng Pilipinas, if you cannot blame anybody, you blame government. So, yeah, because you threaten, of course, a mayor can always threaten a criminal without incurring criminal liability. It is my job to scare people, to intimidate people, and to kill people. Kasali na yan. Na ngayon,
thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.